In a world bustling with new brands and ideas, standing out from the crowd is no easy feat. Whether you are a startup or an established company, your logo is the gateway to your brand identity. It's the face that introduces you to the world, and trust us when we say first impression matter. So, if you are ready to create a logo that not only grabs attention but leaves a lasting impact, then keep watching this video as we are about to unravel the 5 common characteristics that make logos stand tall among the fierce competition. A logo that's so simple and captivating that even a toddler could recognize it. Yup, that's the first secret to creating an unforgettable logo. Simplicity. Now, I know what you are thinking. But wait, won't a simple logo be boring? Oh no my friend. It's all about packing a powerful punch without overwhelming your audience. You see, when it comes to logos, less is more. You don't need to fit every idea, every color, and every mascot into that tiny space. Keep it clean, keep it clear, and let your brand's personality shine through. So, ditch the complex details and let your logo's emblem speak volumes about your brand's mission and vision. Did you know that some companies create jaw-dropping logos using only their names or initials? Remember, simplicity doesn't mean sacrificing creativity. It's all about capturing the essence of your brand without making your audience go, huh, what's that supposed to be? Number 2, scalability. You've got an amazing logo and it looks fantastic on your business card, but when you try to blow it up for a billboard, it looks like pixelated puzzle pieces. You want your logo to look equally jaw-dropping on a tiny t-shirt or a larger-than-life billboard advertisement. Think about it. A scalable logo ensures that your brand's message is crystal clear, no matter where it's plastered. From tiny social media icons to gigantic banners, your logo should be the rock star of clarity on every stage. But wait, there's more. Scalability doesn't just make your logo look awesome, it also works wonders for your marketing and advertising game. Imagine having a logo that you can showcase everywhere, on websites, brochures, billboards, heck, even on the moon if you could. You'll be standing out from the competition like a shining star in the night sky. So listen up, when you are crafting that logo, remember to think big, think small, and think everything in between. Number 3, professionalism. Having a professional logo designer can be a game changer for your business. But don't worry if you can't afford one right now. When it comes to professional logos, it's all about striking that perfect balance between attractiveness and professionalism. You want your logo to be like a magnetic force, pulling your audience in and making them feel like they have stumbled upon something truly special. Here's the thing, your logo should do more than just look good. It should speak to your brand's purpose and mission. So skip the fancy fluff and focus on substance. Your logo should be a reflection of what your brand stands for and how it can fulfill your customers' needs. When your audience lays eyes on your logo, they should feel an instant connection like they have found the missing puzzle piece to solve their problems. Number 4, timelessness. You have seen it with iconic brands like Coca-Cola and Nike. They have stuck with their legendary logos for ages, while the rest of us are chasing trends like cats chasing laser pointers. These brands are sipping on a cup of logo immortality. But here's the catch. Predicting future trends before designing your logo is like trying to find a needle in a haystack. So what's the secret to creating a logo that defines the sands of time? Well, it's the timeless approach. This means crafting a logo that's deeply rooted in the very essence of your brand. Its provision, values, and vision. When your logo reflects the heart and soul of your brand, it becomes an eternal beacon of your brand's identity. Number 5, memorability. Our brains respond exceptionally well to visual cues, making logos an incredibly powerful tool for brand recall. When we talk about memorable logos, we mean those that leave a lasting impression with just a single glance. Now, how do you achieve this level of memorability? Well, clearly using negative space, incorporating hidden elements, or combining unique shapes and colors can help you create an unforgettable logo that sticks in people's minds. And why is this so important? Because when customers can effortlessly recall your logo, it establishes a strong emotional connection between your brand and its audience. This fosters brand loyalty and encourages repeat businesses, a key factor in long-term success. So remember, a memorable logo is not just a design, it's a strategic asset for building a strong and lasting relationship with your customers. If you found value in this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Editing Cop YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.